Jai Shri Krishna. My name is Lukesh Pilani, and we will talk about upliftment, how to uplift your own skills, your own talent. So, I am very obliged to share this story with my 37 years of experience and some learning from my dad, who is 65. So, it's total up to 102, not out. So, we had a very unique regime in our family. Every weekend, someone either from the family or the friends used to come down to our house, had a chat with my dad over a cup of tea, and they used to share or tell their concerns, what is going on in their life. And my dad was very calm, composed, and used to listen to whatever message or things they would have to convey out of it. So I asked him, how does it help us? So he said me, beta suno sabki par karo apni. So it took some time for me to understand, but then eventually when I understood the benefit of it, I am just passing on the benefit to everyone who is watching this. So everyone must have failed in their life. I have failed. So I have missed my 1 year. So when we fail, it's very embarrassing and it's very tough, really tough, to again be in the same class, to do the same curriculum which you already have done and you failed only in one subject, but you have to repeat the full scenario. So that day I made up my mind, okay, there is a good learning and I will eventually see that I never repeat this again in my life henceforth. So I was very good at the curriculum. I used to always aim for 73 and I used to land up at 37. That's funny. Then eventually I came up from 37 to 50, then I came to 60, then finally in my PG I made 73 achievable. So there was also a Greek philosopher who said change is the only constant. This also reminds me, in spite of knowing all this, why are we not willing to change? Why are we not willing to accept the fact and adapt to the new way the life takes us? So I was just doing a research about marathon. I have participated in one of the marathon. So marathon is close to around 42.195 kilometer, which is approximately 26 miles and 385 yards. And if I talk about cycling is close to around 40 to 60 miles, and which will be approx 97 kilometers. So this journey in this kind of pandemic, without any training, without any coach, people have taken the journey. Think about it. So we have immense talent. We give them a proper coaching, a proper diet, we can eventually bring multiple medals, trophies to our country. Because all these people are doing it without any experience, without any ground knowledge, without any coaching. It's on the spot decision, and some people already made up to their place who started on the day one of the lockdown, and some people are still in the transit and still they are going an extra mile to cope up with that. Then also we don't wish to change. It's seriously tough. So I will give you some simple tips. So the first and foremost point is, गुप्ता जी का लड़के ने क्या किया, शर्मा जी के लड़के ने क्या किया? No. Always compare yourself with yourself. What is your past achievement and where are you going to land in this near future? Like as I said, I started from 37, I eventually went to 50, I eventually went to 60, I eventually went to 73. So keep your last achievement as your benchmark and compare yourself with yourself, irrelevant what the anyone says in your near or dear says. Compare with Sharma ji or Gupta ji, leave it. Second, make yourself accountable. So accountable is, it's your life, you have to make a choice. And I will also say that it's your life, please make it large. And I think Seagram can contact me because it's their tagline also. So you are accountable for your life, for your decision, the way you want to live, the way you want to grow. So please make it large. I again emphasize. Third, make a promise to yourself. Make a promise, make a commitment that something will be achieved in the near future. So that promise could be anything. You will acquire certain new skills, you will learn certain new techniques. As I said, I have learned swimming while I was working. So you have to make a challenge. What is a new habit, new skills, new tools, presentation skill, presentation with impact, negotiation skills, selling skills, how to sell over the phone, what is the skills you want to acquire, what is artificial intelligence. So initially there was a lot of challenges in the world, but currently we don't have any of these challenges. You can just go to the Google Baba and he will guide you where to go, where to do, what to do, how to do. So this brings me to the fourth point, which is self-motivation. Many of you have a very challenging life, a challenging mindset, a challenging issues in your family, in your near and dear, or something which has immensely affected you and you are not able to cope up with the current challenges. So all this excuse, keep it aside. Just find an excuse to win the game. So here I am saying, don't wait for, if you're working in a company, don't wait for your manager to come and reward you. Don't wait in case you're doing in sports or anything else, don't wait for someone to come towards you and acknowledge the kind of effort you're making and admire you and give you a reward. You have to reward yourself. It's your self-motivation. So you decide what you will reward yourself if you achieve this goal. That is totally manageable. I myself reward every year with something. If I do this, if I deliver to this level, I will reward with me for iPhone. I would reward me with the international trip. I would reward myself. We started, if you remember, go back in the careers, go back in your school life and the college days, where the the life was much challenging because people were not even making that much amount of money. The only reward which used to bring happiness is, I recollect, is dad used to give me a pen, and that pen, 20-30 bucks rupees pen, would bring a smile in my face. So when a pen can bring a difference in your life, you can reward yourself with anything. It's all about self-motivation. No one will come and pamper your back and say you have done a good job. You have to tap your own back and you have to say you have done well. Set your goal marks, set your challenges. I will learn data management, or I will learn a new skill of Excel within 6 months, and after 6 months you have to reward yourself. So it has to be self-triggered. Fifth, we have to take a risk. As I said, it's the only life you have. Take a risk, try out something, find out your passion. In case you are not doing your passion or ideal job, find out what would excite you, what would make you more enthusiastic and outstanding performance. Take a risk, find something else and get onto it. It's also said, take a chance, which might change your life. We all are scared, desperate. If I try to get into this, will I be successful or will I fail gradually? Failure is a part of life. We have to learn from our mistakes and eventually grow the ladder up. So that's all. Jai Shri Krishna.
If you like the video, then please subscribe.